how to disable the Power On Lid Open feature on certain Dell laptops. Restart your laptop, and when the Dell logo appears, repeatedly tap the F2 key to enter the system BIOS. Once within BIOS, on the left-hand side panel, click on Power. Scroll down to the Lid Switch section and toggle off the Power On Lid Open option to disable it. This feature typically comes enabled from the factory. If the Power On Lid Open option is not shown, then your laptop doesn't support this feature. Click Apply Changes, then click Exit, and the system will restart. If you want to turn this feature back on, just repeat the steps. Your BIOS version may be different from the one presented here. If it is, check your service manual for guidance on how to navigate the BIOS specific to your laptop. Click the link shown to watch our video on how to find your service manual online. If you have any questions about the Power On Lid Open feature, reach out to us on social media so we can help. Subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos, and thanks for watching.